Can you hold your basket? Yeah, hold it. Go find more. Where are the rest of them?
Oh! Good job. Good job.
Ooh, let's go find more.
Look at.
Let's go find them. Look what Lily found.
Ooh. Yay. Good job.
Mommy? Find more?
Melina.
Here's one, Ray. Look at her face. There's one. Yay.
Good job.
Good job.
Let's go find some more. Where are they? You finding your Easter eggs?
More?
Where are they? Do you see more? Where there's some more, honey? Look.
She's looking.
Looking over. You see some
Where are
more?
they?
Where are they?
Where are they?
You gotta find them. You gotta go find them. Oh, there's one. Good job.
Yeah, good job,
Do
Lena.
you see another one? You go get it. Get it. Let's go get it.
Good job.
Yeah.
Go in the sun spot.
Wow.
Good job, you.
Going in the mousetrap?
Yep.
Melina, there's more. Should we go find some more?
Care about there's a sticker on this.
Gotta take the sticker off. Can you find some more eggs, Lena? This way, Melina.
Come here, honey. Come here, honey.
See more?
It's open already.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, Hot Wheels car.
Wow.
Good job.
Truck.
I got the egg. Hi, Lily. Okay, should we find some more?
There's still some more.
It's like, oh man, all these stuff. These things must have some. You know where the rest of your eggs? Let's go find more eggs.
More eggs.
Go find some more, honey. Yes.
What about over here?
There's one over there by Daddy. Look. One over there. I like the way she speeds up her stuff.
Yeah. What'd you find? Melina, what'd you find?
Ooh. Hey, I got this one open. Cashews.
Oh.
Good job, hon.
Good job.
Put it in your basket. Put it in the basket. Put it in here. Let's go find some more. There's some more. How about over here? Let's look over here. Oh, there's one. She just gets going. Wow.
Good job, you.
Lena, can you put it in your basket? We'll go find more.
Yeah. I think there's one more.
I think there's one more.
There's one more, Lena. Can you find it? There's two more? Ooh.
Ooh. Pick up your basket. Your other eggs. Is there more?
Where are they?
Is there one over here? Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, good job.
Good job, Lena. Good job, silly girl.
Here's one more.
Lena, there's one more somewhere. Can we find it?
Can you find the last one? Is there more? Melina.
I got this sticker on it.
Melina, there's one more. Can we find it? Where do you think it is? Lily, can you find the egg?
Where is it?
Where is it? Where is it? Ooh, did you get a car? Ooh.
Wow.
Come on, Lena. There's one more. Let's find it.
Should we find more eggs? Put it in your basket. Put it in your basket. Let's go find more eggs. There's one more. Can it help? Can you say help? That's right. Put it in your basket. Lily, put it in your basket. Let's go find another one. Oh, I see another egg. Melina, is there another egg? One more egg? Should we go find it? Pick up your basket. Can you pick up your basket? Okay, let's go find it. Let's go find it. There's one more egg. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the egg? There's one more. Where is it, honey? Is it over here somewhere?
Good
Yay!
job.
Good job, Melina.
You got
Did you
them
find all
all.
your eggs?
Good job.
Should we take them inside and open them?